Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, and I'm coming back to you guys today, and I want to give you guys a little bit of an update on a case that I've been reviewing. And I don't normally do these follow-up videos, but I figure I would just make it really quick and show you guys. As you can see right here, we've got the Torras. This is going to be a follow-up to the video that I did, so I'll link it somewhere in the video description right about now. But what I wanted to do is mainly show you guys this is the Q3 Air Pro. But this is going to be in the black color right here. Now, I know it's almost iPhone 18 season and all that jazz, but we're going to go ahead and still talk about this case. I'm going to give you guys a follow-up to the other color that I've been dailying ever since I made that video. So let me just show you guys around real quick. We're not going to do any super thorough tests or anything like that. If you want to see those, you will need to go check out the other video for the brown color of this Torras Q3 Pro. But I just want to show you guys really quickly a look around for this case right here. So this again is Q3 Air Pro in black. Okay, so again, the Q3 Air Pro in the black colorway right here. So it's still gonna be the same price. It's basically gonna run you 70 bucks. But I want to actually talk to you guys about my change in, I guess you could say, my change in my train of thought when it comes to this case, okay? Now, this case is not a cheap case at all, okay? So remember, this is a $70 case. So let me tell you guys what I have found in my, maybe about, I think I'm like 2 weeks in now, maybe 3 weeks. But let me tell you what I found in my testing of this case. It actually has been a pretty awesome case to daily. First and foremost, in my original video, right, I did talk about the things I liked about it, the things I noticed about it. And now that I've been able to actually use it in my daily rotation, you guys could say, let me talk to you guys about, okay, what I love about it. So, hey, what's up, guys? It's future Bobby G right now, in the flesh. And I'm working on editing this video that you're watching right now. And I have a question. Why aren't you subscribed to the channel? Listen, it's free to you. It helps me out a ton. And I kind of need it. Also, while you're doing that, why don't you throw me a like? All right, fine. Back to the video. This case is just, in all honesty, guys, it's a really nice case in hand, okay? So something that you have to think about when it comes to these cases is how do they feel in the hand? Okay, do they have a good grip? Are they gonna have good daily usage? Meaning, meaning is everything about the case not only aesthetically pleasing, like I feel like this case is a good looking case. It's a little quirky. Now the airbags on there, like that might be off-putting to some people because it look like it got a big old 5 head on there. And it got these big old corners on there, but it's no different than a lot of protective cases from other brands. For example, like Casetify is one, they've got like really bulky, really weird corners. So again, after using this daily, the Q3 Air Pro, I'm a believer. Like I'm for real a believer. It's very good to practical. The kickstand is really great for when you're consuming your media. Hell, I even use this all the time, or I find myself using this more and more when it comes to FaceTime. Okay, so like I use the kickstand a whole lot when I'm taking a FaceTime call. I was worried that this part right here was going to be really flimsy, and like when I was using MagSafe accessory, it's just going to pop out. That hasn't been the case for me. It's actually held up very well. I've dropped, not this one because this is the new colorway that I just got in black. I just got it this week from Torras. So shout out to Torras. Thanks for sending over the black colorway for me to check out on my Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. But the other one, the other color, the brown, man, I've dropped that like more than I've dropped any other phone. And this thing has held up perfectly. So like, for example, I dropped it out of my car onto my concrete garage. No problems. Like you guys can see right here. Oh, let me get that turned off. You can see right here, screen intact. And I'm talking about it fell face down in the garage. I've dropped it on the back. You guys can see right here. Still pristine with the camera bumps. Again, not in this particular case per se, but in the other version of this in brown. So needless to say, as far as durability and protection of your phone, I've actually put that to the test now. It's held up brilliantly. The charging on this has been fantastic. Now with the chargers that I use on this, I've been using more so the Anchor size chargers. Again, you're gonna have to watch my real review in the life of, or a real review of the brown to see if it passes the big chungus test. And I'll get that to you right now. But in my dailying, I've been using it with a USB-C cable in my car, two different USB cables, Anchor and a Nomad, to charge it nightly, daily. Those have worked brilliantly with this case, so I have had no issues with any of that fitting. Sound is great on it. Accessibility is really great on this. All in all, like this is a good case. Now, again, guys, absolutely, obviously, there are other cases that are much cheaper than this case. But what I'm here today telling you is that after using this for a while, dailying it, using the kickstand, dropping it, having it in and out of my pocket, this case, I can now see personally from real testimony that I can see where that $70 price tag comes from. Like, this is held up again really well. The other colors where I've been dailying, I just switched to this, like, I want to say today. But I have no doubt that the back of this is going to hold it really well to scratches. That the MagSafe is going to be strong because it has been that with the brown colorway, guys. So again, I don't normally do these kind of videos, follow-up videos, but if y'all like it, like if this gets enough views, maybe I'll start doing these follow-up videos after using these cases on later. But y'all gotta show me that you guys want this by liking, commenting, and subscribing on these videos. Okay, that's how I gauge based on what I'm gonna create content on. Okay, guys. So appreciate you so much. If you like this, again, you know what to do. It's your boy Bobby G, giving you this short little preview of the black colorway. There, just really, just gotta give you guys a little bit of variety. If you want to see it in the brown, check out the video that I linked earlier, or check out the playlist. You will not be disappointed on other cases you might pick up for your 17 Pro Max. Anyways, guys, that's enough jammering. It's your boy Bobby G. Peace.